Hey everyone, it's Jeff at Opus IVS. Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we're going to talk about the Opus IVS Web Portal, and this is where you guys will go to retrieve scan reports, look at training videos, and also set up work profiles if needed. So let's get into it. So to start off, I just went into google.com. Let's go ahead and type in Opus IVS. You guys can also put that in the address bar at the top. We are the first result here, so let's go ahead and click that link. Let's go ahead and click on My Account in the upper right-hand corner. Next, we want to log in with our username and password that was emailed to you when the device was ordered. I already have my information saved, so I'm going to go ahead and click it. And then I'm going to click Log In. Now you're in your portal, and you guys can see over there on the left-hand side, you guys have access to Drive Safe reports, training videos, my team, and workshop profile. Most shops only use the portal here to receive reports, so we're going to go ahead and click the Drive Safe Reports tab. Give this just a few seconds to open up. You guys can see here all the vehicles that I scanned for the previous videos. So we're going to go ahead and check out that 2021 Nissan Titan. Here's our quick pre-scan that we did a few days ago. Next will be your invoice. I did just put in some random numbers there for the invoice, just so I had a total to show you guys. Underneath the invoice there, you guys can see that we have IVS Map. IVS Map is the ADAS tab inside the Drive Safe device. So if you guys forgot what you've seen in there prior to doing the pre-scan, you can always come here to the portal and look at IVS Map again as a refresher on what needs to be done to the vehicle before it's given back to the customer. Let's go ahead and check out that 2021 Nissan Titan OE scan. We can see there at the top it is a post scan. All the fault codes are clear. The technician did put in repair recommendations. He's recommending that millimeter wave radar and 360 camera system be calibrated before giving back to the customer. Let's go ahead and back out of that. You guys can see here that we have the original OE report link. Let's go ahead and click that. This is the Consult 3 Plus scan report for the truck. This is really cool that we offer you the OE report. If you know the approximate time in which you did the calibration, or you did the scan, or maybe the request help, module programming, whatever it might be, you guys can go ahead and narrow down those dates at the top. If you guys are a Mac user, you can go ahead and click Command F. When you do so, you can see here at the top right, there is a cursor flashing, and this is where you could enter a VIN number. If you guys are using a Windows computer, you want to click Control F, and the same thing will happen. Once we start to type in the VIN number there, you guys can see that we're starting to get some things that are highlighted. When you finish out the whole VIN, it should take you right to the vehicle. Let's go ahead and log out. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video on the web portal for Opus IVS in your shop. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video, and until then, take care.